Hello everyone, I'm Hans Lozano, and I am here to explain the source code of Arduino Project 7. In the first part of the code, it declares three variables. Symbol as a floating point variable, it is used to store the result of a sign function, and tone val as an integer to store the tone frequency for the buzzer. And last is the step timer, an unsigned long variable to keep track of time intervals. Inside the setup function, it configures pin 8 as an output, indicating that it will be used to control the buzzer, and then initializes serial communication with a baud rate of 9600 bits per second for debugging and output to the serial monitor. Inside the loop function, it declares an integer variable named val. It is used to store the analog reading from LM35 temperature sensor, and data is a double variable used to store the converted temperature value in degrees Celsius. It calculates the temperature based on the analog reading assuming a reference voltage of 5 volts. And then, it checks whether the data is greater than 27 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is greater than 27 degrees Celsius, it enters a loop that generates a varying sound on the buzzer to act as an alarm. It uses a for loop to iterate through 180 values of x from 0 to 179 degrees. Inside the loop, it calculates symbol as the sine of x converted to radians. Tone val is calculated as a frequency value based on symbol. The tone function is used to generate sound on pin 8 with the frequency specified by tone val, and it will add a delay of 2 milliseconds to control the duration of each tone. If the temperature is not greater than 27 degrees Celsius, it turns off the buzzer using the no tone function. To monitor the temperature, it checks if the time is elapsed is greater than 50 milliseconds. If so, it updates step timer and sends the temperature data to the serial monitor. It prints temperature as a level, and then it prints the data, which is the temperature value followed by C to indicate degrees Celsius.